Hello, second graders. It is time for our Chapter 7 performance task. We are on page 343, and we are nearly done with this chapter of our math book. So let's take a look at what it says. You make trail mix using the sunflower seeds, almonds, and raisins shown. And then it shows that the seeds, the sunflower seeds, are in packages with 100 in each, 100, 100, 100. The almonds are in packages of 10, and the raisins have 5 in each. Now it says, how many sunflower seeds, almonds, and raisins do you use? Well, I don't have to count each little seed in all of these packages because it tells us how many there are. And it looks to me like the pictures that we've been drawing. So I could say how many sunflower seeds, there's 100, 200, 300s, 400s. So there are 400 sunflower seeds. And it wants to know how many almonds. So I have 1, 2, 3 sets of 10. I can't write 3. I have to write 3 sets of 10 when we count by 10, 10, 20, 30. And I have 1 package of raisins, but in that package of raisins, there's 5. So let's see. I have 5 in the ones. So I have 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 5 ones, 435. So my answer is 435. Now, you add another bag of almonds and another bag of raisins to your trail mix. How many sunflower seeds, almonds, and raisins are there now? When I'm looking at this, I want to be able to add and draw a picture that shows what I'm adding. So let's read it again. You add another bag of almonds. Another bag of almonds. So I'm going to add one more bag of almonds. Should I do it up here or down here? Well, it's counting these and what they want me to add. So I think I'll add it up here. So you add another bag of almonds. And the almonds, how many are there? 10. And another bag of raisins. So I have another bag of raisins. How many sunflower seeds, almonds, and raisins are there now? So let's take a look. I have 100 seeds, 100, 100, 100. Did it say that I was going to add any more sunflower seeds in here? No, it did not say that, so I don't add any. Then it says that I added 10 almonds. So I have the same number of sunflower seeds. That would be 400. Then I have 1, 2, 3 plus the one that I added. So now I have 4 sets of 10. 4 sets of 10. But let's take a look at here. I have 5 raisins and 5 raisins. Boys and girls, when I have 5 and then 5 more, what do I have? Well, I have another set of 10. So this group makes another set of 10. So I could say 10 here, but does that make sense? Boys and girls, can I put 10 in the ones column? Well, I can't put 10 in the ones column. I need to put that 10 over here. I say that group of raisins turns into one more set of 10. So now I don't have 4 sets of 10. I have one more, right? I have these 10 raisins, but I'm going to move the 1 over here, and that will make it a 50, right? This 10 comes over here, and now I have 5 sets of 10. Okay, 400 plus 5 sets of 10 plus none, because I don't want to make it, I don't want to have a 10 in my ones column. So then I have 450. Okay, I could say that I have 400 plus 40 plus 10, right? And I get the same answer. But what I want you to think is that this set of 10 is coming over here with these 10s, and I make a new set of 5 10s. All right, your friend makes trail mix with 3 bags of sunflower seeds, 13 bags of almonds, and 4 bags of raisins. Does your friend use the same number of ingredients as you? Well, I'm going to draw my pictures. 3 bags of sunflower seeds is 1, 2, 3 sets of 100. 13 bags of almonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And how many are each of these? 10, 10, 10. Each one of them has 10. And 4 bags of raisins. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are in each bag of raisin? 5, 5, 5, and 5. All right, so I count all of these. I count all of these. I count all of these. Let's see what I come up with together. I have 100, 200, 300. 300 seeds. Let's count all of these 10s, right? Every single one of these has 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. So I have my seeds plus my almonds, plus, let's count how many in the raisins. 5, 10, 15, 20. So now I have 300 plus 130 plus 20. How can I do this? I can say that my 10 sets of 10 make another 100, right? This set of 10 10s comes over here, and now I have 400. This comes over here. And my 2 sets of 10, 20 is 2 sets of 10. That comes over here. And now I don't have 3 sets of 10. Now I have 3 plus 2 more sets of 10. So I have 50. So 400 plus 50 is 450. How many did we use when we added this? 450. So we have the same number. We both use the same. Both use the same. All right, boys and girls, I have just a few minutes. I want to show you something that I've been working on with the class, and I want to explain this. So with this, I just want you to do this, follow along, and if you want to do the other pages, if you want to do problems, before this page that you haven't finished in the past, you can do those as practice. All right. But let me show you something that we've been working on in room 23. I want to show you these cards. I have this number. It is, if I wrote this out, it would be 124. And then I say, well, boys and girls, tell me how much the value of that 2 is. Well, if you look at this, if you look at the number 124, and you say that that 2 is only worth 1, 2, well, I want you to think, where is it in our place value? If I take this 2 out of 124, if I take that out, what is that value? It's not just 2. That digit is worth 20. And then I say, well, what about the digit 1? What does that 1 worth? You wouldn't say it's only worth 1 because it's in the hundreds place. So I have 120 and 4. 100 plus 20 plus 4 makes 124. Let's do another one. I have 357. Now, if I asked you what was that 7 worth, you could say it's worth 7. When I take this away, there's nothing attached to it. It's just a 7. That's how much the 7 is worth. But if I said, how much is the 3 worth? Well, that digit 3, what is that worth in this number? Well, that 3 is in the hundreds place. So it is not just a 3, it is 300. 300. And then I say, what is that 5 worth? What is the digit 5 worth in this problem? That's not just the 5. I can't count to it on my hand. My one hand, it's not just a 5. It is in the tens place. So it is worth 50. So my number that I am using, or that I have here, is 300, 5 tens, 7 ones, which makes 357. I have one more that I want to show you. We have a little bit of time. Let's take a look at this number. I have 405. Now, boys and girls, this is one of the things that I want you to learn in this group, in this grade, so you don't say it later in class, in other classes. This is 405. It is not 405. That's a different number. 405. I would say, what is the 0 worth? What is that digit 0 worth? Well, let's take it out of here. Does it turn into something else? No. It is 0 tens. It's in the tens place, and it's holding the spot for the tens. If I said that this number was just like this, 4 and then a 5, with no placeholder, well, that is a different number than this. So I have 0 in my 10 spot. And how many do I have in my 1 spot? In my ones column, I have 5. So I have 4 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 5 ones. 405. All right, I may show you these again. I just wanted to show you these. I hope you have a fantastic day.